Fitness Plus is a brand new service from Apple, and it looks like it's going to be really quite good fun. I'm going to show you how it works on iPhone and iPad, and it will work on the Apple TV as well. All you need is an Apple Watch, so let's get started. And hey, while you're here, if you find this tip helpful, please do subscribe to my channel down below. I'm trying to grow my channel into a great resource for quick tips for iPhone and iPad, and I'd love for you to join me on that journey. First up, let's look at Fitness Plus in the iPhone. So on the iPhone, you've already got the app called Fitness, and when you update to iOS 14.3, there'll be a new tab at the bottom called Fitness Plus. And the first thing to do is to decide if you're going to sign up for Fitness Plus or not. Now, everyone gets a month free trial, but I think you get a longer trial if you've bought a watch recently. But I'm going to sign up for the 1 month free trial by pressing the green sign up button. I'm going to tap on the monthly plan and then press sign up. I'm going to confirm this with Face ID. And my top tip for you is if you don't want to necessarily commit to any longer than a month, set a reminder on your phone to cancel it the day before the free trial expires. Right, now we're signed up, we can start browsing some of the workouts in Fitness Plus. There are over 180 workouts at launch, and apparently there's more coming each week, so there should be something for everyone. I'm hoping there's something there for me. So as I scroll down this new page, you're going to see some different categories. First up, we've got new this week, and I guess really they should all fit in there this week because they're all brand new. Underneath there we've got workouts for complete beginners, which I'll come back to in a moment or two. And then we can browse by different types. For example, most popular, workouts you've recently completed, so it will start learning what ones you perhaps enjoy and what ones you don't enjoy, and recommending ones for you. And you can also browse by trainer if you want to. I'm going to start today by looking at some of the yoga workouts. So I'm going to scroll right back to the top and I can filter by workout type. So I'm going to choose the category yoga, and in there you'll see quite a few different workouts that are ready to go. I imagine these are different lengths, different abilities, different trainers, but I'm not really sure which one to pick because I'm brand new to this, just like you are. So we're going to use that filter bar at the top. This filter bar brings up probably my favourite thing about Fitness Plus so far. On here you can choose to filter by 3 different options: by trainer, by length of workout, and by type of music included. So all of these workouts come with Apple Music, and that will play if you're an Apple Music member or not. I'm going to choose a half-an-hour type workout, and I'm going to go for some chilled music. That's going to narrow it down now to 5 results, and if I go on to the first one, Yoga with Jessica, we can then get some more information about that particular workout, including a little preview. So we'll tap onto the preview, and that will give us a bit of a flavour of what that particular workout session is going to involve. I like the look of that, but maybe not for now. So I'm going to add that to my library, and that will show up on the homepage for me later. I'm going to go back to that main home screen now, and I'm going to tap onto the Workout for Beginners section that I spotted earlier. Now on here there are quite a few different short introductory sessions, and the one that's caught my eye is the HIIT session for beginners, so high intensity interval training. I haven't done this before, I've no idea what to expect, but perhaps an intro would be a good place to get started. On the workout screen you can get a preview if you want, and below you can see the music that will be included to give you a flavour of what's to come. When you're ready to go, simply press Let's Go, and then you can leave your device alone, because you're now controlling it from your watch. So glance down at your wrist, and you should notice that that workout's come up automatically, and there's a big green play button in the middle. I'm going to tap on there, I'll get my 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then it's time for me to get my workout on, and for you to go and explore Fitness Plus. Oh, hang on, I promised you iPad news as well, didn't I? So the Fitness app is on your iPhone already, but it doesn't exist on your iPad at the moment, even on iOS 14.3. But don't panic. Simply go onto the App Store and search Apple Fitness and it will come up with those 3 colourful rings that you recognise. Download the app and then it will work in the exact same way as the iPhone demo just now. You can even get this up and running on the Apple TV, update to the latest version of tvOS and the Fitness app will show up automatically. Your watch will connect to all of these platforms and your stats will show up on the screen as you're working out. I'm excited to give this a try, so I'm going to say goodbye now and see you in the next quick tip. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you enjoyed this video.